Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video, I introduced you to HireSmart AI and walk through the high-level architecture of the system. In this video, we will zoom in on the Job Matcher agent, the very first intelligent component in our workflow. So what does the Job Matcher agent do? It takes the student skill set, compares it against the job repository, and then finds a role that best matches their profile. Think of it as a personal AI powered career advisor. Now, the job repository is powered by something called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Simply put, this means our agent doesn't just look at the static data, instead, it retrieves relevant job information from a structured database and then uses AI to generate insights like calculating the match percentage between a student and a job role. Here's how it works step by step. The student submits their information like name, email, and a list of skills in the comma separated format. The job matcher agent queries the job repo and retrieves job descriptions that requires or having similar skills. Using AI, the agent scores each role, for example, data analyst 85% match, or front end developer 72% match, Python expert 90% match. So the best match along with score, and obviously there will be some more parameters which we will see in a live demo, is returned to the workflow. Now let's see the live action in the orchestrator. Now I am into my orchestrator. So the first thing that I will do here is I'll first go to my agents and will create an agent for now. You can see a button build your agent now. I'll hit and this will open a new window for me. So now I'm into my agents, and if you see here, the autopilot window has opened, which is asking, okay, what should your agent do? So here I'll be passing everything which we discussed so far. Let me just paste it here. So that's the instruction. Role is a job matcher agent for HireSmart AI, and it will be receiving three input parameters in the string format: student name, email, skill set in the comma separate format, and the agent would return the best job, only one job, with all these input variables. For grounding data, we'll have a connection with Google Drive, which we will see in a bit. So first let me just hit generate agent and show you how it looks like. So here, if you see on the right hand side, it has started processing. Now it has started to generate all my system prompts, user prompts, and the variables. So first thing is arguments, then we have system prompts, and the last one is user prompts. So let's start with the system prompt. I'll hit review suggestions for now. So once I hit on the left hand side of the screen, you can see in the system prompt, it has changed everything. That you are a job matcher agent for HireSmart AI and your job is to find this and that. So that is my system prompt. I'll hit accept. Next, I'll review my user prompt. So this is my user prompt. So these are three input variables and these are my output variables. I'll hit accept. And the last one, I'll see my input and output schema. Again, hit review suggestions. On the left hand side of the screen, you can see these three variables, student name, email, and skill set, have already been created. And if I move to output, I have got all my variables over here. Okay, I liked it. I accept the suggestions. The next thing here is I need to add the context. So before I add the context, let me show you how it looks like. So this is my input file which I have created, which contains your company, role, location, skills required, and there are other few parameters. So this is a live file, a live database which we will be connecting with my agents. I've already made a connection to my Google Drive using integration services. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch other videos to connect to Google Drive via integration services in UiPath Studio. But for now, we will just go to my context, click on add context. So I have no context over here. I'll create new, and let me just give it a name now. Okay, hire smart hyphen rag. So for ingestion, it would be basic. It will only compare the document, and we have got two options: storage bucket and connector. Storage bucket is mostly for static data, and connector is for the dynamic one. I'll hit connector and select my folder shared because I've created a connector in my shared folder. It's a Google Drive connector. Select the connection. That's my connection name. This is the data source location. So it is under student developer. So I'll just select student developer and the file type should be all. Though I have already got two Excel file, but here I'll select all for now. And the next task is I'll hit save. Now it has now started to add my index. It is now in progress and will take probably around a minute to be added over there. As you can see now, the connection is successful. Now I'll move to my agents page, click on add context, and I can see hire smart rag is there for me. I'll hit OK and time to test the process now. So to do this, I'll just click on debug. Let me just do a debug now, and it will ask for all the parameters. Okay, so it is Manoj at gmail.com, and the skill set is for now Python, because I guess we have got so many jobs which has got Python. So for now, I'll just select Python here and click on save and debug. On the right hand side, if you see in the output window, the job has started executing. So now my job has completed successfully. If I go to my input, so that these are my input and that's the output. Company name is Gamma AI, ML engineer Bangalore. These are the skills required. These are the nice to have skills: minimum CGPA, experience required, CTC, typical rounds, JD, and the job matching percentage. So it has now returned me everything which is kind of matching my profile. So that is how you can create your first agent from that list. In the next video, we will create a app where this will be available to the user in the form of a window web app, and the user can just go and either accept or reject the job. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.